Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Harrison and welcome to the Bike Shack, where today we'll be putting the NUKE-PROOF pedals, metal pedals even, on the Diamondback and swapping from these rubbish pedals. So just before we start this video, I just want to say sorry about the noises in the background. We're right next to the high street of where we live in, and there's probably planes that are going to go over the top of us as well. So, so sorry about that. However, when I did the comparison of the metal pedals compared to the expensive versus the cheap ones, I said I was going to change them. Well, now is the day. So let's get into the video. Well, to get these pedals off, I'm going to use a 17mm spanner. So then I just need to twist the other way and try and that didn't work, did it? Try and get these
keep that still.
So as you can see, we got the first one off. However, now it's just time for the second. Oh, I really do hate doing this. I get outrageous. Right. Right. So we've got this one off now. So now, let's just do sort of a quick unboxing of the pedals. Damn, my dad's here. We didn't have to move because my dad's parked at the side, so sorry about saying that. However, now it's just a quick unboxing. So here's left, here's right, and that's what you get. So in a nice little packet as well, and it's great. So let's just find out and put these on. So now we're gonna just sort of attach these on right now, guys. So just twist it, and now we need to just get an Allen key now to lock them in place. Right, so as you can see, I have just locked that pedal, so it won't be coming off in a while. However, now I just have to do this pedal now.
Yeah, then just use the other side of the Allen key.
Yep.
No. Hold the pedal. So you want to be doing this until it feels tight, like so. And then if you put that in, Harrison, and tighten it using that end, that'd be great. Perfect.
Right, so now let's just get a few cinematics of me going on the bike. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Link to these pedals will be in the description. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. If you want to subscribe, click in the top left hand corner. And if you want to watch our previous video,